In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Citizenship Education. Citizenship education is the process by which the citizens of a state acquire the relevant knowledge about their rights and obligations in order to become responsible citizens in the state. The primary objective of citizenship education is to create awareness of the rights the citizens are entitled to enjoy within the provisions of the Constitution and their duties to the state as citizens. Importance of citizenship education. The importance of citizenship education is discussed below. It helps the citizens to know their rights. The first goal of citizenship education is to help the citizens to identify their fundamental rights and ensure that these rights are not infringed upon. It promotes responsible citizenship. Citizenship education enables the citizens to be law-abiding in their relationship with the government and fellow citizens in a state. It helps to promote unity in a state. Citizenship education teaches tolerance, love and hospitality. These are the basic ingredients of unity. Citizenship education enables citizens to see far beyond ethnic, tribal and religious lines. It promotes law and order in the society. Citizenship education enables the citizens to be law-abiding and show respect for the nation's constitution. It prepares the youths for leadership. Citizenship education equips the youths with the relevant knowledge and skills needed for leadership. It takes informed youths to make a great nation. It helps to promote development and progress in the society. The knowledge of citizenship education creates an environment of unity and peace which enables development and progress in the society. It ensures political stability in the country. A country where people know their rights and obligations tend to enjoy relative peace that enhances political and economic stability in the state. It ensures good followership. Citizenship education inculcates good values that help the citizens to be loyal followers of their leaders and people in positions of authority. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.